A guilty verdict has been delivered in the case of a New York-based sex trafficking ring. Four family members from Queens were convicted of bringing women and minor girls into the United States from Mexico and forcing them into prostitution, News.com has confirmed. Jose Morales, 34, reportedly ran the underground business with his wife, Luz Cardona, 35, as well as his mother and her husband, Blanca Morales, 53, and Roberto Dominguez, 60, according to the U.S. Attorney's Office of the Eastern District of New York. Since as far back as 2002, prosecutors said the defendants had been luring their victims into the U.S. with false promises of employment and a better life. When the young girls arrived in New York, they were forced to work in prostitution. Victims were taken to clients throughout New York and Connecticut who would pay to sexually abuse them, officials said. One of the victims was Cardona's 15-year-old niece, according to officials. In a harrowing testimony, she said she was forced to engage in commercial sex with 20 or more men daily. The defendants also bribed a police officer with free sexual services in exchange for his silence about the operation. The officer also reportedly gave the traffickers information about police investigations, helping them get away with their crimes for 8 years, according to the New York Daily News. He pleaded guilty to related charges in 2022. On Thursday, October 19, a federal jury found the 4 defendants guilty on all counts. The charges included transportation of minors, sex trafficking, promotion of prostitution, and bribery. The verdict came after a 4-week trial before a U.S. judge in the Eastern District of New York. The defendants each face up to life in prison, except for Dominguez, who faces up to 40 years, according to the U.S. Attorney's Office.